What's up, bruh? So I'm gonna see how to build a sliding door if you really want to, like this one in here. See, just slide. You just walk through. Also made a house. See, made a house. And it's not the best, but it's a good house. Eh, yeah. And then all you have to do is just do that. I'm gonna show you how to build it. I'm gonna show you how to build it. Okay, so ready? What you need is any block. You don't need this bed. Any block of your choice. Like if you want brick, I use brick. You can also use. You need a pressure plate, a redstone torch, redstone, and a sticky piston. E. I don't know why I said that. Sounds like we're working on. Okay, ready? So all you have to do is dig that. That's good. And I'm gonna do that, do that, do that, do that, 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 do that, that, do that, do that. See? Okay, it's built like that. And all you have to do, yeah, pretty much. Sorry. So, like, what you want to do is drop. You want to put three sticky pistons stack up like this, like that, and then three. Just do it for the other side. Shift. I don't know why I keep saying that. Okay, yeah, you good. Okay, we'll just make sure it's messed up. Ready? Okay. Now, all you have to do is just put your that if you want. You can do it last. I just did it first. Oops. And then just do that. Yeah. Alright, so now put one on the back of each. Now put redstone 2 on the that. Alright. And then put a redstone torch on the back of that. See how it opens? Now, and torch on the back of that as a connector. Okay, now what you want to do is just like that. Now I'll do that, with that. This will be where I'll show you. Right there. Now, put it over top of this one. It'll open. You'll bounce, but that's only if you walk straight into it. But Now, if you don't want, see, it opens. Yeah, sort of simple, but yeah, you can just build your house if you want around it. Like, build a simple house. Yeah, yeah, pretty simple. Nothing wrong. Mm, okay, bye.